Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated September 6, 2022. Indian equity markets closed flat today with Nifty giving a close at 17,655. At close, SENSEX was down 49 points with a change of 0.08% at 59,197 points. Markets opened flat but started rising afterwards. Nifty made a high of 17,764 during the period and SENSEX touched the levels of 59,567. Three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Apollo Hospitals, Bharti Airtel, and NTPC. These three stocks rose between 2.43% to 3.09% today. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Tata Consumer, Bajaj Finserv, and Britannia. They fell within the range of 1.44% to 2.23%. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have CANARA Bank has hiked the benchmark MCLR by up to 0.15%, a move that will make loans costlier. The benchmark one-year MCLR will be 7.75% against the existing rate of 7.65%. KALPATAru Power Transmission Limited and its international subsidiaries have secured new orders worth 1,345 rupees crore. The company has bagged the said orders in India and in the overseas market in the transmission and distribution business. The KPTL is one of the largest specialized engineering, procurement, and construction companies engaged in power transmission and distribution, oil and gas pipeline, railways, and civil infrastructure business. Tycoon Gautam Adani plans to start exporting electricity from a coal-fired plant in eastern India to Bangladesh before the end of the year, helping to alleviate energy shortages in the South Asian nation. Adani Power Limited will commission a 1.6 gigawatt facility in Jharkhand state and a dedicated transmission line for the exports by December 16. The project underscores India's push to use infrastructure as part of its diplomatic outreach to neighbors. Lenders of VOVL, the oil and gas exploration company owned by Venugopal Voot, received binding bids from ONGC Vich and Prudent Asset Reconstruction Company late last week. They also received two separate non-binding offers from Brazilian energy companies. Lenders led by the State Bank of India are hoping to recover at least one-third of loans or 9,000 Indian rupees crore to 10,000 Indian rupees crore given to Videocon Oil Ventures. Oil to telecom conglomerate Reliance Industries has acquired a 79.4% stake in California-based early-stage software management tools developer SenseX. The acquisition, worth $32 million, took place through primary infusion and secondary purchase. This acquisition is advantageous for RIL as SenseX aids in acceleration of solar projects from planning to production through streamlining processes and automation. Federal Bank Limited is up for a fifth straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 123.75 rupees, up 0.16% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. Federal Bank Limited has gained around 12.96% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 101.95 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 167.57 lakh shares in last 1 month. State Bank of India is up for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 541.45 rupees, up 0.47% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. State Bank of India has risen around 4.04% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 48.53 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 130.92 lakh shares in last 1 month. SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited is up for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 945.35 rupees, up 0.96% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited has gained around 3.19% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 4.43 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 20.21 lakh shares in last 1 month. PVR Limited gained for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 1,946.05 rupees, up 0.43% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. PVR Limited has dropped around 8.56% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 4.24 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 7.07 lakh shares in last 1 month. ASHOK LEYLAND Limited rose for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 165.65 rupees, up 0.64% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. ASHOK LEYLAND Limited has gained around 14.08% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 157.99 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 150.6 lakh shares in last 1 month. PFIZER Limited is up for a 5th straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 4,309.85 rupees, up 0.76% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. PFIZER Limited has added around 3.28% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 59,157 shares today, compared to the daily average of 28,305 shares in last 1 month. BHARAT Forge Limited gained for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 773.65 rupees, up 0.78% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. BHARAT Forge Limited has risen around 8.59% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 7.65 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 20.91 lakh shares in last 1 month.